Write on the board, "Snow Angel," and ask, "What is a snow angel?" Have your students give you their guesses. Then, show them the picture in slide 1 in the presentation. Say, "This is a snow angel. Do you know how to make one?" Show slide 2. It shows a GIF of someone making a snow angel. Ask your students if they've ever made one, or if they would like to. Tell them that some people also call it snow butterfly. Ask them if they think it looks more like an angel, or a butterfly, and why. Slide 3 of the presentation. Ask your students, what are the people doing in the pictures? Have them describe each picture. Then, proceed to pair work, or breakout rooms. Have students work in pairs, and answer the questions, in which picture would you like to be, and why? Is there any activity you would not like to do? Why not? Slide 4. Tell students they are going to watch the music video for the song. However, before watching the video, they are going to play a music video lottery. Divide students into groups. Show the slide 4 with the pictures. Explain that only 5 of those things will appear on the video. Their task is to choose the things, and come up with reasons why they chose them. The aim here is for them to use their imagination, to come up with creative reasons why those things would appear on the video. Tell your students that the crazier, the better. Put the groups in breakout rooms, and give them 5 minutes to choose the pictures. When the time's up, have the group captains send their list of things, via chat box privately, for you to check later who got more right things. Have students from the groups explain their choices. Play the music video for them to check. After that, there is the bonus question. How many sunglasses appear in the video? Play the video again for them to check, and count. You will probably have some dispute over the right answer, 9. In this case, show slide 5 of the presentation with the visual proof.